What?
One time. There.
Time.
Yo, yes, it's me.
Basta open ang loyo. Anay tao lingko dia. Ngit-ngit lang. Woo! Non-stop. Non-stop parade. Another one. Yeah, different styles. Woo! Videohan na. Hello! Happy New Year!
You walk over the man, just like what you did when I
Sorry sa assunto Media niya yo-yo
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Welcome to Chuuk.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Izinkan na ako
Happy New Year!
Novo.
Happy New Year! Okay, come on.
What?
One time. There.
Time.
Boom!
Thank you.
Happy New Year! Woo! New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Okay. Woo!
porque estás bien hermosa, es hora de gozar.
on, my friend. Okay, one more time. Nice. Oh my goodness. This year is really, really interesting. Not that you can see now, but you can also witness and experience this newly invention or imitation. I don't know because in Philippines we are using we call it kalburo or flying tiger. It's like a liquid, but here is they are using propane for their, I don't know how do we call this, something that um, so happy to witness our Chuuk's friends, including foreigners. They were really enjoyed and they were enjoying about the activity and for that new invention. I don't know, maybe we're expecting of new invention again or imitation. So thank you and until next time. Bye bye.